The strength of speed. The pace at which you speak also has a tremendous effect on your communication ability. From a practical perspective, someone who speaks quickly is harder to understand than someone who speaks at a moderate pace. Conversely, someone who speaks very slow will probably lose their audience's interest before they get. Speed also has an effect on the tone and emotional quality of your message. A hurried pace can make the listener feel anxious and rushed. A slow pace can make the listener feel as though your message is not important. A moderate pace will seem natural, and will help the listener focus on your message. One easy way to check your pitch, tone, and speed is to record yourself speaking. Think of how you would feel listening to your own voice. Work on speaking the way you would like to be spoken to. The truth about tone. Here are some tips on creating a positive, authoritative tone. Try lowering the pitch of your voice a bit. Smile. This will warm up anyone's voice. Sit up straight and listen. Monitor your inner monologue. Negative thinking will seep into the tone of your voice. The power of pitch. Pitch can be most simply defined as the key of your voice. A high pitch is often interpreted as anxious or upset. A low pitch sounds more serious and authoritative. People will pick up on the pitch of your voice and react to it. As well, variation in the pitch of your voice is important to keep the other party interested. If you naturally speak in a very high-pitched or low-pitched voice, work on varying your pitch to encompass all ranges of your vocal cords. One easy way to do this is to relax your throat when speaking. Make sure to pay attention to your body when doing this. You don't want to damage your vocal cords.